Hello everyone, this is my teachings practice workshop. Intonation. Intonation describes how the voice rises and falls in speech. The three main patterns of intonation in English are falling intonation, rising intonation, and fall-rise intonation. Falling intonation. Falling intonation describes how the voice falls on the final stressed syllable of a phrase or a group of words. A falling intonation is very common in W questions, where, for example, where is the nearest post office? What time does Phil finish? We also use falling intonation when we say something definitive or when we want to be very clear about something. For example, I think we are completely lost. Okay, here is the magazine you wanted. Rising intonation. Rising intonation describes how the voice rises at the end of a sentence. Rising intonation is common in yes, not questions. For example, I hear the health center is expanding. So, is that the new doctor? Are you thirsty? For rise intonation. For rise intonation describe how the voice fall and then rise. We use fall rise intonation at the end of statements when we want to say that we are not sure or when we may have more to add. For example, I don't support any football team at the moment, but I may change my mind in future. I train every day in the first week, but things improved after that. We use for rise intonation with questions, especially when we require information or invite somebody to do or to have something. The intonation pattern makes the question sound more polite. For example, is this your camera? Is this your camera? Would you like another coffee? Would you like another coffee? Evaluation. Listen and repeat. Rising intonation. Did you cook? He is he handsome? Will you come soon? Falling intonation. Why did you cook? What does he look like? When will you come? Did you? Thank you.